Hi y'all, it's me from Tie-Dye House. We're just burning off the rest of the snow we got early this morning here. Stayed up pretty late doing a bunch of tie-dye stuff. So the sound you just heard is the dryer getting done. We now can look at what we did last night and see how everything turned out. Let's go ahead and wait for that to stop. There we go. This is what we got. We got a whole dryer full of different stuff. We'll start out right here. First thing we got is a Christmas tree, red and green. Turned out pretty nicely. Yep. Next here we have a Mickey shirt, Rainbow Mickey. Do a lot of these. Like how that turned out. The pretty colors, nice and bright, good coverage, not a lot of white, consistent colors, patterns, everything's good. Again, I got a bunch of those in there. Here's another Mickey. Also a pretty good sized shirt. Rainbow as well. Beautiful. Consistent, nice colors. Here we have another Mickey. I promise there's other stuff in here other than Mickey's. So there's another Rainbow Mickey. This one here is a star pattern. Pretty shirt, turned out pretty nice. Alright, that's also a front and back pattern. Next up we have another little Mickey shirt. This one here is a pot leaf, marijuana leaf shirt. The customer wanted a green leaf and then a navy and gold colored shirt, so that's what I did for him. That turned out beautifully. That is also a front and back pattern for me. Good deal. Looks good. Love it. This one here is a Honda. The Honda car symbol. Turned out pretty nicely. That is not a front and back pattern, but that's what the back looks like there. Good deal. This is the best part of tie-dye, is looking at the final results. Love this one. This is, we call this pattern Zipper. This is a pink, purple, and a turquoise, and then lighter shades of the same colors to offset and create a nice little effect there. That is a front and back pattern. Let's see, we have Marcel down here fooling with the cat. Hi, Marcel. Say hi, Marcel. Hi. Hi, Marcel. Hi. All right. See the boy. All right. Next we have another Mickey. Big old shirt. Rainbow again. She's looking good. Consistency is the key when you intend to make a lot of tie-dye and be able to reproduce patterns. Takes quite a while on some patterns to learn how to do that. This is one that we did learn how to do pretty good. This is a Volkswagen symbol. Did quite a bit of these. Love the way that turned out. Nice bright colors. That is just a front pattern, so that's what the back looks like there. Okay. Next up we have a small Christmas tree ornament that has been crocheted by a friend of mine. Just started doing crochet. This is 100% cotton yarn, so I can dye it, which is nice. Got a few other pieces that I'm working on in different tie-dye colors and patterns, so hopefully those turn out just as nicely as this one did. Okay, next up we have here a rainbow tie-dye swirl pillowcase. Pretty colors. This is the most basic pattern in tie-dye. The swirl and the rainbow obviously is the most popular color scheme. And here we have another Mickey. We got some lint on that one. Very cute little youth shirt there. And last but not least, we have another Volkswagen. The symbol is the same, just different colors, and then the rest of the shirt is done in a crushed dye. Turned out pretty good. Beautiful shirt. I love the way these turn out, and the back looks like that. So that's it on all of the shirts that we did last night. It was a long night. It was worth it. Everything turned out quite nicely. Thank you for tuning in to me at Tie Dye House. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.